This just in, a new research study shows, a new study reveals. So who can you trust to get the best food and nutrition information?
Just as an average person reading the newspaper, we read a lot about these types of stories, and oftentimes we read later that somebody's done research to contradict that. The reality of it is science is grounded in a few things: transparency, reproducibility, being able to have colleagues do these types of studies and get the same results. Just because you read it in the paper doesn't mean that you should change your eating habits overnight, because that's not the way we in science typically operate. And unfortunately, we typically don't get immediate results that are readily translatable.
So a lot of studies in food and nutrition are funded by the food industry. Can you trust these?
The real firewall is when somebody else does those studies and gets similar results. If they don't get similar results, they report that as well, and so it's contradicted. That will then affect the credibility of the researcher who did that study. We're scientists, and we need to be credible in what we do.
So real nutrition wisdom comes from consuming evidence. Thank you, Dr. Doyle, for feeding us the facts. I'm registered dietitian Carolyn O'Neil for Best Food Facts.